If you're looking to upgrade your Mac, especially if you're a videographer like myself, I'm going to upgrade to 128. This is a 2020 5K Retina, so the most memory I can put is 120, 28 I believe. So what you're going to do is you're going to unplug it. There's a little button there. Then you're going to see the slot. And then all you're going to do is with your fingers just push it out. And they might be a little tough, but you're just basically going to put the new cards in there. And that's, you could always look on the label and see how much RAM. So you're going to be able to tell if it's the right way, because if you put it the wrong way, or you could also look inside and look at the teeth. And then you're just going to make sure it's fully in there, push down. Even if you hear a click, that would be good, because then you know. So I've used this brand. It's called Timetech. I mean, it's worked for me for almost 2 years. So I definitely recommend if you're going to be upgrading your RAM instead of paying a lot of money for the Apple one. So just push them down. And that's pretty much it. Baby's ready.